And let's see. So that was it. First two trades were pretty quick, pretty disappointing in general. The last trade of the day, I went. I thought I had a pretty decent setup, but I did make a mistake on moving my stop, and I kind of I had talked to some people today, and they said that that was one of the cardinal sins that that you shouldn't do. So I missed this triple top here at the 39.71 region. So rejection, rejection, rejection. My original plan was to get short here, but I missed out, and I was scared to pull the trigger. I just was a little uncertain how things were working. So best case scenario, I'm getting short probably on this candle here, setting my stop to right above this candle or right above the wick here, and just riding the whole thing down. Instead, I waited for a pullback. I got to this pullback, and my entrance was okay, so I kind of got short on the end of this candle. And I had originally set my stop loss at, I want to say 39.68, so a pretty decent stop loss. And as we were progressing, after this green candle, I saw this red candle. At one point, the red candle was kind of coming back, and it was starting to look like it was going to reverse on me. So I had moved my stop to right about like here because I was so worried about losing money and not trusting my trade. And then as it was approaching this, as it was coming back, I think we were like 30 seconds into this candle. As it was coming back, I ended up closing the position, and I for a small loss, and I just didn't trust myself. I mean, if you look at the execution here, I entered 10 MES short, and I had a perfect stop loss. And had I just stuck with my original plan, my original stop loss, I mean, look where we could have been. Obviously, hindsight is 2020, but shortly after missing, I mean, this would have been the best entrance, but this is the second best entrance in my book. After the first pullback, obvious stop loss set, and I just didn't trust it. Not a single candle would have tested my stop loss here. I just needed to trust my position, trust my stop loss, trust the process, and just let things happen the way they're supposed to happen. That's all I have for today. $12.50. That's it. I'll see you next time. Peace.